Good morning, Elle.
Good morning, teacher Sergio. Where we are going?
Today we will see one of the historical places in Macau.
Oh, good.
Before we go inside, if you like our videos, please subscribe and like our channel. Thank you. We are at Morrison Chapel, the first Christian church in Macau. Robert Morrison was considered the father of the Anglo-Chinese literature. He created the first language dictionary of Chinese to English and English to Chinese. He was a missionary from the UK and helped many persons in Macau. So, Elle, what else you know about him?
I know he was the writer of the first language Chinese-English, English-Chinese dictionary, which is based on the Kangxi and other dictionaries. The pronunciation was from Middle Chinese. His transcriptions were based on Nanjing Mandarin rather than the Beijing dialect, since he has his tutor.
Wow, amazing!
He also wrote and translated many books, create some schools and other places for people to study.
Very interesting. From my researches, I found others followed him. And after he died, his wife sold more than 900 books.
Yes, those books were sold for £2,000 in 19th century in the UK.
Very interesting. Looks like the English language in Macau started from here, at the beginning of the 19th century during Qin Dynasty. But is a long story for another time.
I think so. Well, for today, that's all. We hope you like this video.
Thank you. Remember to like and share our videos. Bye bye.
Bye bye.